active shooter in a mini mart, and feel free to move around. They're wireless, they're tetherless just for that reason.
So if I, like, can I get behind, like, not the table, not the table over and get behind it?
Shove the table, yeah, flip the table.
Spencer, come here, I need a shield.
Stay on your feet for me.
Chad immediately goes urban prone.
After I said that, let's just go ahead and stay put. Alright, here we go.
You muzzle flash like 4 people already. You're a horrible cop. That guy's already dead.
Oh, that guy's dead. It's crazy. Get back up.
There you go. That was a scenario requested by one of our clients.
He's down.
People weren't. We can have up to 6 laser devices using at any one time. Shoot blades. I mean 6 firearms, 6 sets of tasers, 6 OC sprays, maybe 2 guns, 2 tasers, 2 OC sprays. If you're running air groups for law enforcement. Well done. We can also use these scenarios to showcase.
You let your partner die.
You didn't let him die. That was part of the.